In this video, we will show you how to connect your Salesforce environment to your Cooby Workspace. First, we go to the integration guide in Cooby Workspace. Then, we click on Admin Setup. Next, we go to Connect to Salesforce. Once we click it, it will ask us to log into our Salesforce account. That's it. We have successfully authorized access to Salesforce. Now, let's click back to the integration guide, then back to Admin Setup. Some of these steps may have already been completed automatically, but if not, we can check the installation of Cooby and manage our API key. We click on Edit, copy the API key, and paste it into the QA configuration. Then we save it. We can also click on Update Permission Set. Next, we set up admin permissions. We click on Assign Permission Set, then on Manage Assignments. This lets us add a new assignment for a new member. We select the user, accept the required permission sets, manage assignments, and click on Next. Now we go back to WhatsApp Web. This will ask us to grant access to all Cooby users. Once we click it, WhatsApp Business Web will open. If we click on the Salesforce logo, it will ask for the integration to be enabled. We click on Authorize. Cooby will now sync all messages into our Salesforce environment. If we select a contact that already exists in our CRM, we will be able to see their details directly from WhatsApp Web. All messages shown here will also be visible in Salesforce.